Okay, this is going to be a brief video on how to get your recorded video off of your Tel-Star Technologies high definition DVR. You're going to want to use Internet Explorer to do this. Just open up Internet Explorer. The technician that installed your new DVR will have given you a favorites icon with your DVR on it. It's going to look similar to this. Go over here and get to it. Okay, when your DVR comes up, it's going to look similar to this. You should see the Tel-Star Technologies logo with our 800 number on it right here, along with the model number of your DVR right up there in the top left-hand corner. I'm not going to be giving out any usernames or passwords in this video, but your technician should have set you up a user for you to log into your DVR. And hit your login button. Sometimes your DVR is going to come up with no cameras on the screen. All you need to do is just click on one of the boxes, click on the camera that you want to be in that box, and the camera should pop right up. Okay. One brief note I'll show you while you're at this page before you go to looking through any recordings. Click on your configuration tab, come up here to local, and right here is where your downloads are going to be saved. So make a good note of that. You can create your own folder on your C drive, somewhere on your desktop. It's going to automatically make one. You just need to make note of where it's actually going. Okay, you can change this right over here by browsing, putting it wherever you want on your own computer. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Playback. Right down here on the bottom of the screen, you've got this bar that you can slide back and forth. Kind of lets you hunt for the video you're actually looking for before just downloading everything that's on the DVR. You can select the camera that you want to look at right over here on the left hand side. We're going to use camera number 1 because that's the only one I have hooked up. And I'm going to kind of slide this down to the middle and hit my play button. Okay, now I can play through this video clip that I've got going on here. I can fast forward, I can single frame by frame it, I can stop it, I can pause it, I can rewind it. Whatever you want to do. You want to try to find what you're looking for so that when you download your video you don't have to download near as much of it. Okay, so once you find the time and date of what you're looking for, come over here, hit your download button. Okay, just say yes. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use this drop down bar right here and pick the camera that you're looking for. In our case here, this is going to be camera number 1. You don't have to change any of this. Right here on this calendar, you can select the time and date that you want to look at. We can pick today at, what time is it? Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. So it'll just search for the rest of the day. Well, let's take this back just a little bit. We'll just take this back to 00. Hit OK, so it's going to search from this time to this time on this camera. Hit search. It's going to bring your file up right up here. Okay, select the file that you're wanting to download, hit the download button. You should get a progress bar based on the size of the video. It's going to be based on how long it takes to download. Then what we're going to do once this is finished, we'll go check that folder that we saved it in. You should be able to play your video, give it to the cops, give it to the owner for your evidence. Looks like we're a little over halfway done. That's a 1016 meg file. That's pretty good size. High definition cameras, they take up a lot of space, so you just have to be patient with them. Okay, as you can tell, now it says it's downloaded. We can close this out. We can actually close our DVR out or log out, you know, whatever you want to do. Or if you need to look at some more video, just stay logged in. I'm just going to minimize it. Now I know that I saved mine on my computer, C drive, DVR. And here's my video. You can double click on it to play it. You can drag this to wherever you want to look. Fast forward. Now I'm using a different player than most for my screen capture software. Most of it's going to play in Windows Media Player, so this may look just a little bit different, but various things you can do. You can increase the speed, you can decrease the speed, you can skip forward, you can pause, you can stop, you know, just like any media player will allow you to do. Okay, pretty simple. That will be the end of this video for taking video off of your Tel-Star Technologies DVR. Stay tuned for some more videos